In recent years, Facebook Marketplace has transformed into a leading channel for online commerce, connecting millions of buyers and sellers worldwide. Facebook Marketplace API allows developers to build integration between their software or apps and Facebook Marketplace. It enables access and manage store data, including product catalogs, order details, customer information, inventory levels, and others. For example, developing a reliable Facebook Marketplace, API integration for order management systems, shipping solutions, or inventory tracking tools can implement inventory management features for Facebook sellers. By integrating with Facebook Marketplace, e-commerce solutions can access one of the world's largest customer bases and expand market share. Adding Facebook Marketplace support also opens the door to higher revenue growth, since every new sales channel supported by the software increases its competitiveness in the market. The challenge, however, lies in the complexity of building and maintaining a reliable integration with Facebook Marketplace, while also keeping up with the demands of supporting multiple other platforms at the same time. To access Facebook Marketplace API functionality, software requires Meta partner approval. Moreover, there is no standalone or public API documentation for Facebook Marketplace like other platforms have, e.g., Shopify, Amazon. API 2 Cart provides a streamlined way for software developers to solve these challenges. API 2 Cart offers a unified API that connects software solutions with 60+ e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Wix, Magento, WooCommerce, OpenCart, and others. Instead of developing and maintaining a separate custom integration for Facebook Marketplace, software developers can use API 2 Cart to integrate with this and other platforms at once. Through API 2 Cart's API methods, software developers gain access and can manage store data like orders, products, customers, categories, etc. This approach saves significant development resources, reduces ongoing maintenance costs, and allows software teams to focus on improving their core product rather than dealing with integration issues. So, software developers who choose API 2 Cart gain a faster, more reliable, and cost-effective path to Facebook integration, along with the ability to scale across dozens of other platforms at the same time. Contact us today and explore how to integrate your e-commerce software with Facebook Marketplace API via API 2 Cart easily. Get a 14-day free trial right now.